Good morning, Davao! Are you all excited?
Are you all fired up? Are you all excited? Okay, they are all fired up and excited. But
So, to
before
all,
anything
all
else,
fathers,
sandali. Before anything else, I would like to greet you. Happy Father's Day! Diba?
are you sure that I'm really happy? Joke. I'm very happy
Yeah,
as
I know
father.
you're very happy. Okay, I would like to ask everyone, especially ang mga papa na naakaroon diri, please, kung naapod ang mama, give them happy Father's Day. Yan. Okay. Tahu mo ito kung akong istorya, pero sa'yo lagi ito gamay. Anyways, okay. So we don't want to take the time so much from Mario, but let me say something about how we started this business. So way back then, 27 years ago, we found this business accidentally in the sala of our dearest mentors,